Here are 6 ways to animate text from bottom to top in Canva. No plugin, no coding, just pure Canva tricks. Start with opening your Canva and then choose the project size. I choose Instagram post. Now please add the text and change the font to the font that you like. Now place it in the bottom. Click animate. Click create animation and drag the text from bottom to the top like this. You can press your shift button and then let's preview it. Okay, now close it and you can download it as MP4. Type your text and then duplicate the page. And then go to page 2 and move the text to the top like this. And then click the space between pages and choose Merge and Move. Adjust the duration. And now let's preview it. Alright, now you have it. And then you can download as MP4. Tap your text, select the text, and then go to animate. And then choose Scan. Scroll down and adjust the speed. And now you have it. Select the text and go to animate. Scroll down to find the price. And then click from top to bottom, adjust the speed. And now you have it. Click the text and go to animate and scroll down and choose baseline. You can adjust the speed and this is the result. Click the text and go to animate, scroll down and choose drift. This is awesome. Choose the bottom to top and then adjust the intensity. Download as MP4 and there you have it. Alright, 2 of these tricks works on the free version. The rest need Canva Pro. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, I put the link on the description of this video. You can try it. So, thanks for watching. See you next video and have fun with Canva.